These are 10 things you should be buying at IKEA under $20. And with so many new products, this could be my favorite IKEA video yet. We begin with this portable wardrobe at 13 bucks, built for those short on closet space or expecting extra guests over the holiday where you might need to quickly hang jackets. These storage boxes with transparent windows at $8 are ingenious. While I know you could always just label a cheaper box, these are more effective for those times where you might need to see the color of hand towels or certain kids' toys that you might have stored away. And this air quality sensor at 16 bucks gives you an immediate, easy to identify colored reading of your indoor air quality. Right after I did some cooking, you can see the front LEDs switch from green to orange to indicate a change in air quality. Point 2 begins with a pop of color and some illumination thanks to this 14-inch table lamp at $18. I found this to be a decent size for the price with 3 different color options to choose from. I consider the modern vibe complementary to any room, including an office. Which brings me to this clip-on desk cup holder at 17 bucks that easily secures with a clamp in black or this natural wood color. I've spilled a few beverages across my desk, so this is something I have my eye on. As another DIY desk option, this desk shelving adjusts and attaches to any surface in seconds at $20. It's great for a dorm or an office. This clip-on basket at 9 bucks can just as easily function for a workspace or wardrobe as it would in a kitchen as a quick method to expand your storage space. And for 99 cents, this storage container qualifies as the second cheapest item I encountered on my IKEA trip. The clips on these bad boys attach to almost any flat surface to store DIY items for a hobby room, kitchen utensils, or even tools in a garage. For point 3, we head straight to the kitchen with this expandable colander at $13 and selling for 2 bucks less than last year. This will expand to fit pretty much any sink, so you can clean veggies, berries, or drain pasta with one hand. If the expansion factor is not essential, this plastic colander at $3.99 is in the shape of spaghetti or lasagna noodles and highly versatile. This grill pan with a highly convenient folding handle at $20 allows it to store away with ease. And at 14 by 10 inches, you get a beautiful yet functional design with grill marks and spouts on either side for easy draining. This milk frother at $1.99 highlights another price reduction from last year that I am happy to see. This heat-resistant glass measuring cup at $10 looks like it's straight from a science lab. It's dishwasher and microwave safe with convenient markings on either side. And for ambiance at the table after your meal is ready to serve, this LED table lamp is portable, cute, and can even be hung from the built-in hook. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up as that really helps my channel. For point 4, these stackable white indoor chairs at 15 bucks are surprisingly comfortable for spare seating or even for a kid's desk with a black color option as well that look quite sleek. For the outdoors and reduced from $35, these chairs in gray or yellow, now at just 15 bucks, have that bistro chair vibe with a quick fold for easy storage. This large indoor mat at $1.99 is rather welcoming for a side or back door, even if it doesn't actually have the words welcome printed on it. For that, this $10 option might be better suited for an entryway and is generously sized at 28 by 16 inches. I saw this pair of curtains for $18 that could offer some privacy on a budget. These have a nice build to them, but if you'd prefer ones that are blackout, this very well-rated pair from Amazon that I will link to below for around the same price might be the better way to go. And speaking of quality, this wire basket with a beautiful looking handle in several different colors is tied to yet another price drop. For $13, I consider these versatile and very well made. Point 5 starts with another big price break tied to this glass pitcher with cork lid at $9.99. This is a highly presentable way to serve anything from iced tea to fruit-infused water. Alternatively, and for hot or cold drinks, these insulated vacuum flasks at $5 hold up to 32 ounces of liquid, and since you don't need to entirely remove the lid when you pour, The temperature integrity of your drinks is better retained. As a final beverage bargain, this French press coffee maker reduced from $15 to $9.99 is made of glass and stainless steel, and I know many of you swear by French press, so here you go. I love the size of this 11-inch Lazy Susan with a bamboo base for $15. We use one inside our kitchen cabinet to better access our spices and keep clutter to a minimum. And I wanted to flag this digital scale at $15, which could be a perfect match for a cooktop or appliance that you already have in your kitchen. However, if this shiny black color is not your thing, there are stainless steel options that are better priced on Amazon at under $12. This 20-piece flatware set at $10 is one of those almost hard to believe IKEA prices. It's likely best suited for a dorm or a first apartment. You get 4 of everything you need and the quality seemed excellent. Finally, to add to your list of proof you can truly buy anything at IKEA, this 5-quart bamboo steamer at $20 could get the job done for dumplings or steamed vegetables. Point 6 starts with what I would consider a stunningly low price. This 3-drawer storage unit on wheels for just $15 was easy to assemble and wonderful for an office or to be used even inside a closet for clothing. Speaking of garments, this portable clothes rack at $20 would be wonderful for runway models during a fashion show, or in my case, all the clothing deals my wife found over Amazon Prime Day. This shoe tray at $3.99 is an IKEA find I showcased last year, but there is this new Lego-like inspired mustard yellow as an option for those muddier months approaching. Alternatively, for $1 more, this raised metal shoe rack at $4.99 in gray also now sports that new yellow hue as an option. This shower squeegee at $1.99 is another favorite of ours, wonderful to have on hand to clean the shower or mirrors with ease. While these slippers with an open toe design at $2.99 are comfortable to wear, it might be uncomfortable for some of you to watch me model them with bare feet, but they are great beside a bed, and to wake you up in style, this no-frills LED alarm clock at $20 has a giant display with one of the largest snooze buttons I've ever seen. For a basic but large 9-inch wall clock at $2.99, that price is hard to beat and a clear example of where IKEA shines for higher quality, low-priced items with a modern flair. Point 7 is centered around tech, and this ring LED light, see what I did there? Centered, ring. Anyhow, it's $15, the color temperature is adjustable, very bright, and attaches easily to a display or a laptop to improve the quality of your Zoom meetings or for streaming. If you already have a USB cable, this wireless charger at $4.99 might qualify as one of the least expensive I've encountered. And while we're on the topic of your smartphone, this chair-like mobile phone holder at $2.99 is funky yet practical for propping up your phone while you watch a YouTube video. For a larger screen, this bamboo tablet holder at the same price would complement any content consumption, while this version in the form of a stand at $14 gives you that extra height that might be best for reading an instruction manual or for viewing recipes while you cook. I love the additional touch of cork backing to prevent scratching while your device is in place. I wanted to celebrate 2 big price drops tied to the LED decor right here at $13 down from $20. These South Beach-like floor lamps come in 2 different sizes with the bulb built into the top. And finally, before we shift to bedding, this 4-function clock at $8 allows you to quickly switch between the time, date, temperature, or to set a stopwatch countdown simply by flipping it to a different side. For point 8, I wanted to buy and try this queen-size pillow at $8 before I made any recommendations. It's certainly not the thickest pillow I've used, but it is plush, supportive enough, and comfortable, so for a decorative pillowcase or maybe overnight guests who you don't want to overstay their welcome, this is the one to get. For more frequent sleeping, this ergonomic foam pillow at $12 felt to be of a much higher quality for that $4 more. At the same price as the pillow, if you prefer to air dry your clothes, these racks are a very basic design, but better than just hanging something over a railing or balcony. While these tree-shaped clothing racks at $17 extend from a wall to hang hats, bags, or coats for an entryway or mudroom. This lint roller at 59 cents is the cheapest item I found during my shopping trip, but based on its thickness, I believe you'd be better off buying the alternatives at the Dollar Tree. This laundry bag with stand is very well priced at $6 and quickly folds up for transport or to conceal in a closet. This 5-pack of storage boxes with lids at $10 could handle crafting, any supplies for a home office, or even beauty products for a bathroom. Finally, these storage cabinets that come in a 2-pack at $40, making them $20 each, are one of the best reviewed items on IKEA's entire website. They attach to a wall to assist with all sorts of storage, from clothing to shoes, or even vinyl records if that's your thing. For my next point, and ready for school lunches or meal prep, these 50 packs of resealable bags at $3.99 are similar in terms of design to a Ziploc, but also touted as reusable. If you are more inclined to reuse a silicone bag, this 3-piece reusable set at $18 is a very high quality system, and while I do wish they could stand on their own, if you were to buy the name brand version of this bundle, it would set you back around $43 on Amazon. These plastic bag dispensers at $3.99 go far beyond their product title as something that can assist with gift wrap or even a yoga mat. You might want to take a pass on this 3-pack of food covers for $6, as you can find a virtually identical product at Dollar Tree for $1.25, while these reusable large food covers at $8 are one of the biggest I've seen and could serve as a lifesaver for a casserole or other hefty food dishes you might need to transport. If you're short on drawer space, this kitchen utensil stand at $7 is made from a powder-coated steel and could be fantastic as a quick grab solution for utensils you frequently use. If you like to keep your plates better organized inside a cabinet, these plate holders that range in price from $8 to $12 could be the solution. They have built-in carry handles that would make them ideal for hosting, so you can efficiently move all of your plates for serving and then back again after they're cleaned. These multifunctional dish racks at $15 are composed from both plastic and metal, and they would sit nicely on a counter for any delicates or non-dishwasher safe serveware. To protect your counters from hot pots, these stainless steel trivets at $9 are versatile enough to double as a quick dry dish rack as well. And from the indoors to the outdoors, these metal shelf units at $20 come in 3 different sizes. They could provide a nice home for plants or even garden equipment in a shed. Before I get to the bonus section, the iconic IKEA shopping bag at 99 cents might not need an introduction, but I wanted to flag these for anyone looking for a durable shopping tote to transport items after a Costco or Sam's Club run. And if you really want to rep your IKEA pride, these bucket hats at $6 are an efficient way to quickly learn who your real friends are. For our 4-legged friends, these circular-shaped small pet beds at $15 with a faux fur look extremely relaxing, while this cat tent at $20 might provide a quick hiding space for your feline family members and tucks away beside any piece of furniture. For human furniture, this ottoman with storage at $13 could accommodate several blankets or toys, and I apologize for my video footage as this was only being displayed on a really high shelf. This 15-piece tool set at $16 would be wonderful for any college student, great for many basic household repairs or adjustments for that matter, which can also be said of this portable screwdriver at $18, which could certainly help with any IKEA furniture assembly. As I collect many requests for these, I wanted to showcase the massive assortment of modern vases with prices ranging from $13 to $19. The IKEA collection is modern with many different colors and styles to choose from. And for plants, I love this 2-tone ceramic color glazed stoneware at $8, where utensil storage could even prove to be a possibility. For the bonus section, I've learned many shoppers are actually unaware that IKEA's famous Swedish meatballs can be enjoyed from the comfort of home at $15 for a 2-pound pack. While we're at it, a 6-pack of cinnamon buns at $7 is something I did not see at my local store until recently. And if you know me, I never let a professional taste test pass me by. These are decadent and very gratifying. This keychain mobile phone holder at 99 cents is quite intelligent in terms of design, as it quickly expands so you can support your phone in an upright position wherever you are. I'm classifying these floating wall shelves as a bonus because while they cost more than my self-imposed $20 limit, I have these in my studio and they're behind me for every YouTube video I shoot, so I of course love them. This chalkboard easel at $20 is a substantial size for the price, perfect for any budding artist that you might have at home or as an idea board. This 6-pack of wine glasses at $8 is an IKEA staple, generous in size, just in case you've had that type of day or night. And if you've been watching this video thinking to yourself, wow, I really wish that guy would tell me about another lamp, I'm thrilled to reveal this one I found for $10. I like the stand, and to really spice things up, the light control is on the power cord. And there you have it. Thanks so much for watching. I love you. Bye-bye.